This is a property that I bought about 6 years ago at 305 Castle Street. And here I am walking up, and you're going to see in just a minute here how badly this property was taken care of. Like, there's the porch there before, and then you're going to see in a moment what it looked like, you know, once somebody really took care of the property, you know, the tenant and the landlord. And here's the hallway. It was in really bad shape. The tenant that lived upstairs would not allow us to get in so that we could fix this leak that was coming from their bathtub that had been pouring in for years and pretty much destroyed that wall. Started to patch the wall there. But this is how a lot of the properties look like when I buy them. They have a lot of deferred maintenance. The tenants have abused the property. The landlord hasn't taken care of them. They're dirty. They have a lot of deferred maintenance. So this apartment had a lot of garbage left behind, dog hair. And here it is done. Here's a tenant that moved in who really cared and took care of the apartment. And now we're going to move in so you can take a look at what the bathroom looked like. And this is after we emptied it out. You know, it looks like it hadn't been washed in years. And there it is with the tenant who cares. And this is where the leak was coming from that was causing all those issues in that front hallway. And this is the family / kitchen. Lots of debris, garbage everywhere, left behind furniture. And here it is renovated with a tenant who cares. And here's the kitchen. Oh my goodness. I mean, and I have to tell you, it's common in so many rentals. It's really too bad too. And here it is after we've renovated it with a tenant who cares. Here's the front door of a tenant who cares. I love when I see that. So help me stamp out Slumlords.